Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 100 word per minute. Okay, start. To pay should be liquidated. Meanwhile, a moratorium should be declared and steps should be taken to provide cheap credit facilities. Sir, for this, the cooperative movement in various parts of the country has done something good, but that requires to be augmented and increased on a large scale. Sir, many of these landless laborers and agricultural laborers suffer only because there is no land for them. For their benefit, some state governments enacted tenancy laws, but they were not implemented. The greatest hardship which they suffer from is that they are landless. The land which was to be given to them by way of surplus has to be obtained by the enactment of tenancy laws. It was not given to them. The vested interests in the rural parts of the country evaded the provisions of the tenancy laws. Therefore, sir, fixity of tenure were heritable rights, along with a right to build houses and to plant trees, should be provided for all tenants throughout the country. Unless this is done, I don't think the condition of the rural labor can be improved. Not only this, sir, there is a section of the rural population, so to say the landlords or the rich peasantry. There should be an income tax on their income. Sir, unless their income is taxed and sealed, as it is done in the urban parts, they shall continue to exploit these rural people. So there should be some income tax levied on them, and this tax yield should be used for the well-being and welfare of these landless laborers. Para. Now sir, as I previously stated, the cooperative movement is, so to say, a movement which can help these rural laborers. For this purpose, the rate of cooperative farming and collective farming can be stepped up in this country. So far as I know, the system of cooperative farming is prevalent only in some parts, rather in negligible portion in the Gujarat state. I do not know the position prevailing in the rest of the country, but so far as my state is concerned, there are some societies formed on a cooperative basis for the benefit of agricultural laborers, and they are mostly composed of landless laborers, and they get government waste land from the government. Now this land which is provided by the government is not fertile. If they develop this land, the vested interests of the society snatch away this land. The result is that there were some attacks on Harijans and backward classes in different parts of the country. A majority of attacks on Harijans and backward classes are only because of land disputes. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.